Welcome to Better English.
Speak English with confidence.
Welcome to Better English. In this video, you will master getting ready for work. Listen, repeat, and speak. I am David, and today we have a very useful lesson for you. We are going to practice your daily English. We will talk about everything you do in the morning before you leave your house.
Hello everyone, I am Grace. Today is day 03 of our special series. We are focusing on a 2-level English today. This means we will use simple, common words that native speakers use every single morning. This lesson uses the shadowing method. It is one of the best ways to train your mouth and brain to speak English naturally.
That is exactly right. First, listen to us talk. We will discuss waking up, eating breakfast, and preparing for the day. Then, repeat the sentences after us to practice your shadowing. You will hear a sentence, and then you will say it out loud. Doing this every day builds your confidence and improves your pronunciation.
It is completely fine if you make mistakes. The goal is to keep practicing and keep speaking. Make sure you are in a quiet place where you can talk out loud comfortably. Are you ready to begin your morning routine practice? Let's jump into our first part.
The first thing we do every morning is wake up. Usually, my alarm clock rings very early. I like to wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes I feel very tired, but I always get out of bed quickly. It is better to stand up immediately so you do not fall back asleep. Many people use their phones as an alarm.
Yes, alarms are very helpful. Our first sentence is about exactly when that alarm goes off. Repeat after David.
My alarm rings at 6 o'clock.
Great job. Now tell us that you do this every single day. Say this sentence clearly.
I wake up early every morning.
Very good. After the alarm rings, you have to stop the noise. Practice this next phrase.
I turn off my alarm.
Perfect. But getting out of bed is not always easy, is it, David?
It is hard to wake up early in the winter. The mornings are very dark and cold. But having a good routine makes it much easier. I always stretch my arms and legs before I walk to the bathroom. Stretching helps my body wake up and feel ready for the long day ahead.
Stretching feels so good. Let us practice saying that we leave the bed fast. Repeat this sentence.
I get out of bed quickly.
Well done. Now let's talk about moving your muscles. Listen and shadow.
I stretch my body in the morning.
Excellent. Next, you usually walk to a different room. Tell us where you go.
I go to the bathroom to wash my face.
Exactly. And what do you do when you are in the bathroom, David?
Cold water really does wake you up. After I wash my face, I brush my teeth. I always brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Dental health is very important, and it leaves my mouth feeling fresh. Then, I brush my hair and look in the mirror. I tell myself that today will be a good day.
That is a great, positive habit. Let us practice the sentence about using water. Repeat after David.
I wash my face with cold water.
Great. Now let's talk about keeping your teeth clean. Say this aloud.
I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
Very nice. Finally, practice the sentence about making your hair look neat.
I brush my hair and look in the mirror.
You did a wonderful job with this first section. Now we are awake and clean, so let's move on to the next step.
After I leave the bathroom, I go straight to the kitchen. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. You need energy to work hard. I always start my morning with a big cup of hot coffee. I add a little bit of milk and no sugar. While the coffee is brewing, I decide what to eat. Usually, I make toast with butter or eat a bowl of cereal.
A good breakfast is so important. Let us practice talking about a popular morning drink. Repeat this.
I make a cup of hot coffee.
Excellent. Now, tell us what you are eating. Shadow this sentence.
I eat cereal for breakfast.
Great job. Some people do not like coffee. Let us practice a sentence for a healthy morning drink.
I drink a glass of water.
That is very healthy. What else do you do while you sit in the kitchen, David?
While I eat, I usually look at my phone to check the news or the weather. Knowing the weather is very important because it helps me choose my clothes. If it is raining, I need a jacket and an umbrella. If it is sunny, I can wear a light shirt. After breakfast, I wash my plate and cup so the kitchen is clean.
The weather changes everything. Let us practice saying how we find out about the weather.
I check the weather on my phone.
Very good. It is also good to be clean. Say this next sentence about cleaning your plate.
I wash my dishes after eating.
Perfect. Now that breakfast is done, we have another task. Repeat this phrase.
I need to choose my clothes for work.
Exactly. Picking the right clothes can be hard. How do you do it, David?
Choosing an outfit can take a long time if you are not prepared. Some people choose their clothes the night before. I usually just look in my closet and grab a clean white shirt and dark pants. We have to look professional at my office. I put on my clothes, button my shirt, and make sure my shoes are clean.
Looking professional is a great feeling. Let us practice a sentence about getting dressed.
I put on a clean shirt.
Nice work. Now, tell us what you wear on your legs. Shadow this.
I wear dark pants to the office.
Great. Lastly, let's talk about your feet. Repeat this sentence clearly.
I tie my shoes before I leave.
Fantastic speaking! Now you are fully dressed and ready to go outside.
Now I am dressed and I have a full stomach. It is time to leave the house. But before I open the front door, I always do a quick check. I need to make sure I have my phone, my wallet, and my keys. It is terrible to leave the house and forget your keys. I put my laptop in my bag and put on my jacket.
Remembering your keys is so important. Let us practice a sentence about taking these small items.
I grab my phone, wallet, and keys.
Very good. Now practice saying that you prepare your things for the office.
I pack my bag for work.
Excellent. It might be cold outside. Say this sentence to stay warm.
I put on my jacket.
Perfect. You are completely ready now. What happens next, David?
Once I have everything, I walk out the door and lock it behind me. I always check the handle to make sure the door is securely closed. Then, I walk to my car. My commute to work takes about 30 minutes. A commute is the trip you take to get to work. Some people take the bus or the train, but I prefer to drive because I can listen to podcasts on the way.
Podcasts are wonderful for learning. Let us practice a phrase about keeping your house safe. Repeat this.
I lock the front door.
Great. Now, tell us how you start your trip. Shadow this sentence.
I walk to my car.
Well done. Let us practice a sentence about how long the trip takes. Say this out loud.
My commute takes 30 minutes.
That is a normal commute for many people, but sometimes driving is not easy, right?
Traffic can be very bad in the morning. Many cars are on the road because everyone is going to work at the same time. Sometimes, I get stuck in a traffic jam. When that happens, I just try to stay calm and listen to the radio. Eventually, I reach the city and find a place to park my car near the office building.
Staying calm is the best advice. Practice saying that you use a car to travel.
I drive my car to work.
Perfect. Now, use this sentence to describe a busy road. Repeat after David.
There is a lot of traffic this morning.
Very nice. Finally, practice the sentence about leaving your car.
I park my car near the office.
Excellent work! You have finished the drive and arrived safely.
After I park my car, I walk to the main entrance of my office building. I use my ID card to open the heavy glass doors. When I walk inside, I always see the security guard. I smile and say good morning to him. It is very important to be polite to the people you see every day. Then, I wait for the elevator.
Being polite makes the workplace better. Let us practice saying that you enter the building.
I walk into the office building.
Great job. Now, practice a sentence about unlocking the inside doors.
I use my ID card to open the door.
Very good. Let us practice being friendly. Repeat this sentence aloud.
I say good morning to the security guard.
That is wonderful. What do you do after you get inside, David?
My office is on the 5th floor, so I take the elevator. When the elevator doors open, I walk down the hallway to my desk. As I walk, I greet my coworkers. I say hello and ask them how they are doing. Usually we talk for a minute about the weather or a sports game from last night. Then I finally sit down at my desk.
Talking to coworkers is a nice start to the day. Let us practice a sentence about going up.
I take the elevator to the 5th floor.
Perfect. Now practice saying that you see your team. Shadow this.
I greet my coworkers in the hallway.
Excellent. Now, ask a friendly question. Repeat after David.
I ask my coworker how they are doing.
Well done. You are finally at your workspace. What are your first tasks, David?
Once I sit down, the first thing I do is turn on my computer. While the computer is starting, I take my laptop out of my bag and organize my desk. I put my notebook and pen next to my keyboard. When the screen turns on, I open my email and start reading my messages. My workday has officially begun.
Getting organized helps you work better. Let us practice a phrase about taking your seat.
I sit down at my desk.
Great. Now practice saying that you start your machine.
I turn on my computer.
Very good. And for our last practice sentence, tell us what you read first.
I check my emails to start the day.
Amazing job, everyone! Your English is sounding very natural. You made it to work.
That brings us to the end of our lesson today. You did an amazing job. Getting ready for work is something we do so often, and now you have the English words to describe every step. Remember, speaking out loud is the secret to getting better.
I agree completely. We are so proud of your hard work today. If you finished the entire lesson, please type "I did it" in the comments below. We love reading your messages.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to Better English. Tomorrow, we will have another great lesson for you. We will focus on Day 04, making plans for the weekend. You will not want to miss it. See you then.
Yes, the weekend plans lesson will be very fun. Keep practicing, stay positive, and have a wonderful day at work. Goodbye!
Your English journey does not end here. Watch more videos and keep practicing.